So Step Up stands for Sustainable Technopreneurship Ecosystem for the promotion and advancement of promising products. So this is
Oh.
a technology business incubator funded by UST PSHERD under the HERIT program. So
Mm.
basically, we are here to incubate possible startups and startups within the community, especially in Region 12, that is catering for agriculture and aquaculture technologies using ICT and IoT. And also, we
Oh.
are gearing towards the halal industries.
We incubate them by, of course, starts with the incubation program, our Move It incubation
Mm.
program. Iba-iba diyan yung ano namin, yung incubation program na nangyari sa amin depending on ano na yung level ng incubatee na
Mm.
nag-apply. So, meron kaming mga incubatees na alumni na ng SKSU. So, iba yung approach namin sa incubation with them. So,
Tailored.
tailored.